All right, this is a week 20 update. We have 164 more days to go. It is summertime. Things are a little bit slower, but getting a lot done after my Florida trip. Starting to work on finishing up the neck and also finishing up the touchable surfaces. So I think the big robot is done. We just need to put in batteries and start assembling the upper and lower board, probably in August. So these are the neck pieces. They're just basically screwed in, so they can bend sideways. And they're basically colliding into each other, but they're able to flex with the kind of the latex or vinyl pour that I did. So this was all done with the mold that I made and then poured it. It'd take about maybe 4 or 5 hours to cure, and then you make multiple sets during the day. So this is the bio head. I tried to use some tape, car tape, hoping that would do the trick. And so with the bear paint, I always have to go back and put a primer so it will work. See here, I'm putting the copper plates, and just so I have a nice way of spreading out that conductivity to the bear paint. Probably hear rain in the background. And so basically I just laid it down with a little tab of epoxy and then smeared bear paint so it could flow into the other surfaces. So this is final assembly, and then you start to see a little bit of a handle there for puppeteering. This is the final bot base design. Dungsu did this using Fusion 360. Showing the pipeline for this, taking off the bottom layer so you can see this kind of geared tooth horn, how everything is assembled. This makes it 10 times easier to put together. So everything has lined up correctly so far, and then you see right there in the center, the white is actually PVC pipe, so we don't run the risk of anything breaking this time. This is a lot sturdier, and I think it's a lot quieter. Last time it was way too loud. So anyways, you can see the center there, how that rod is going to kind of spin in and out. All right, so now we have the final bot base. This is just a whole bunch of videos of me. As you know, I like to document everything. See me, this is I think this is our first prototype, so this is some warped wood just to see if it works. There were a couple of adjustments that we needed to make before I purchased the wood and our final CNC. So this is the iPad gimbal prototype. Our associate dean came by and took a photo of us.
Okay, final gimbal design. We got the sliding arms to hold the iPad in place. This one too attaches right onto this.
Then you had a magnet thing in the background.
Oh yeah, this you can, if the strings break or something, you can replace them.
Cool.
Yep, and that's how it works. Sweet. Yep.
All right, this is the final bot base assembling, and Dungsu is on the floor putting it together. It is way too loose. We'll probably have to shim it. Did make some adjustments on the second round, but it's still wiggly. Anyways, this was the warped wood, so this was just a test to see if everything worked. It looks pretty good. Very sturdy. This is a second round of adjustments to the file and then the final CNCing. So we're making 5 bots. So we've almost got them all done today. One little last bit tomorrow morning will be done.
Push it against it, right? And then where's the Sharpie? And then you have to draw the Sharpie line. How much that opening cut is that this movement is about, that's a pretty good number, right?
And then there it is with the leggings and looking pretty sharp. So lots of work to do when we come back from Japan.